Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo the Word Scout discovers the Sapphire stream in Vocabland, a place that feels calm and special. The stream feels peaceful and bright, like a dream brought to life. A new word fits this beautiful feeling: ELYSIAN. ELYSIAN means peaceful, beautiful, and almost perfect. The quiet surroundings make everything feel gentle and inspiring. Creative thoughts begin to flow easily in this calm place. Spending time here feels refreshing and uplifting. Beauty and peace work together to spark imagination. The valley leaves a lasting sense of calm and wonder. Timo remembers that a peaceful and perfect place is called ELYSIAN, and the feeling stays with him.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.